What plumbing problems are most common in homes built before 1970? Homes from that era usually deal with corroded galvanized steel water pipes, cracking cast iron drain lines, and old clay sewer pipes that leak or clog as they age. Back then, builders mostly used galvanized steel pipes for water lines, and those pipes have a thin coating inside that slowly rusts away after several decades. As that coating wears down, rust and mineral buildup narrow the inside of the pipe, which is why older homes often have weak water pressure even though nothing looks wrong on the outside. Many of these homes also have cast iron pipes for drains, and those crack from the inside out with age, so a homeowner might not notice a problem until a ceiling stain or a slow drain shows up. Something most people never learn is that some homes from this time still have a short section of lead pipe connecting the house to the main water line, and even that small section can affect water quality. Another lesser-known fact is that clay pipes were common for the sewer line outside the house, and tree roots love growing into the tiny cracks between clay sections, slowly choking the lines shut. All of this damage happens quietly, so a home can look perfectly fine while the pipes underneath are falling apart. One common mistake is assuming that because the water still runs fine, the pipes must be okay, but weak water pressure is usually the very first warning sign of internal corrosion, so it is worth having a plumber check things even if nothing feels urgent. Another misconception is thinking a small leak or slightly rusty water is not a big deal, when it usually means the pipe is failing from the inside and could burst without warning, so getting it inspected early saves you from a much bigger repair later. People also forget to ask about the sewer line when buying an older home, but a simple camera inspection can catch root intrusion or cracks before they turn into a backed-up yard. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.